In this video, I'll show you how teachers can use Microsoft Teams to manage classes, communicate with students, and organize schoolwork all in one place. Microsoft Teams is a powerful platform for online and blended learning. It allows teachers to create virtual classrooms, hold online lessons, share materials, and track student progress easily. To get started, sign in to Microsoft Teams using your school account. Once you're logged in, go to the Teams section. Here, you can create a new class by clicking Join or Create a Team, then selecting Class as the team type. This option is designed specifically for teachers and students. After creating your class, you'll see channels. The General channel is where you can post announcements and start class-wide discussions. You can also create additional channels for specific subjects, group work, or activities to keep everything organized. Teachers can post announcements, instructions, and discussion questions in the Posts tab. Students can reply, ask questions, and participate in class discussions, making learning more interactive. To share learning materials, go to the Files tab. Here, you can upload documents, presentations, worksheets, and videos. All files are stored securely and can be accessed by students anytime. One of the most important features for teachers is assignments. Click Assignments to create homework, quizzes, or projects. You can set due dates, attach files, provide instructions, and assign work to the entire class or individual students. Students can submit their work directly in Teams, and teachers can review, grade, and give feedback in one place. Microsoft Teams also makes online teaching easy with meetings. You can schedule live classes using the calendar, start instant meetings, share your screen, use the whiteboard, and record lessons so students can watch them later. Teachers can also communicate privately with students using chat. This is useful for answering questions, giving feedback, or checking in with students one-on-one. To customize your classroom, click your profile picture and open Settings. From here, you can manage notifications, adjust privacy settings, and personalize how Teams works for you. Overall, Microsoft Teams helps teachers save time, stay organized, and create a more engaging learning experience for students. Whether classes are online, in person, or a mix of both. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Leave a comment below if you want more tips and tutorials for using Microsoft Teams in education.